Hello. Hello. Welcome to the Floravelle Fowl Chicken Coop. This is your demonstration of the D20 Add-A-Motor and auto latching door system. I know it's a little ridiculous and wonderful at the same time. So what we have here is our chicken coop. Over here is the chicken ladder, the feeder. On this side over here, there's a large opening that will indeed have a nesting box in it at some point. Nesting box was the plan for the day until the D20 Add-A-Motor came in. The purpose of the D20 Add-A-Motor is to allow the chicken door to be set upon a timer. I've set it down. You put it on a light timer, much as you'd use when you're traveling. That's exactly the reason we have this. If you go away and you want your chickens to have access to their chicken yard, which is through the chicken door here, and still be secure at night, then you either need to have someone come in every morning and open the door and come every night and close the door, or you have to get an automated door, or you have to leave the door open. You leave the door open at night when predators are most active. If for any reason a predator gets into your run, they can also get into your coop. The coop is an investment. The birds are an investment. You don't want a predator in here. A long-tailed weasel, for instance, will kill an entire flock. So, what's a guy to do? There's a number of options out there. Some very clever fellows go to Radio Shack and purchase control boards and circuitry for less than $20 or $30. I decided to let someone else do all that work for me, and I simply bought the pre-built D20 Add-A-Motor. When power actuates to the motor, it rotates, it turns on, pulling on this very thin little red line, which is a 40-pound test weight fishing line, and it goes until the stop here hits the switch and turns it off. Our door is made out of a plastic cutting board from the store. The reason for that is that it does not shrink or expand with moisture or temperature. The tracks are old pieces of window air conditioning unit track. And there's a piece of what's called an Easy Up, which are the Easy Up frames. As I'm a professional craftsperson, I have a lot of these broken old pieces of Easy Up. I really get a kick out of using Easy Up parts. The lever action connects here. If you see this pin here, when the door drops, the pin engages, and then you cannot open the door. It's locked. Unless a direct action happens to the lever, releasing the lever. So, I will still be enclosing the D20 in its housing. There'll be a plastic housing, and I'll be putting in a door for access. There'll be a power point here. Let's see it in action. And look, there's chickens. That would be my rooster. His name's Little John. So I've unplugged it, which resets the motor the next time it's plugged back in. Hi, sweetie. It closes. And the latch engages. So, chickens are in the coop. It's 6 a.m. I'm a very tired craftsman who's worked till 2 o'clock in the morning making masks for you. What do? Get up at 6 a.m.? Open the door? Oh, I put it on a timer. Then along comes about 8:30 at night. The chickens have come in to roost. They're sweetie now. They've come into their coop and they're up on their roost. It's getting dark. You want them to be nice and secure. No weasels allowed. No, back up for now. Not yet. And everybody's on their roost because chickens instinctively come home at night. And your door's latched. Just as simple as that. Thank you very much.